Hello. When you have your project, often you will have different baselines. So how can you show actual baseline on your Gantt chart? This is the topic of this post. So for this, I created a project example. It has 4 tasks, and you will see on task 1 is John assigned, on task 2 Mary, Paula, Peter, John, Peter. And if I go to resource sheet, I will see that John has standard rate with 100 euros, Mary 200 euros, etc., etc. So this is basically my schedule, and let's say I'm good at it. So I'm going to save a baseline. Project, set baseline, and be aware that you know that I can choose among 11 baselines, but I will choose baseline, first one, baseline. And now I am going to apply here. I will go to task and I will say I need tracking Gantt. Tracking Gantt will show you actuals and baselines. Baselines are green. Now let's say that we find out that for task 2, we will need, let's say, not 2 days, but 5 days. And also, we will need Mary, but with Mary, we will need John, Peter, and Paula. You will see everyone should work on this task, and this task is going to last 5 days. Now, if I go here and I choose, for example, cost table, you will see, okay, I know that. Okay, let's do it here and here and here and variance. That I have variance which is 36,800 euros per this task, because it will last longer, okay, and it will have more resources. And let's say that I spoke with my sponsor and he says this is okay, we agreed with the customer, he will pay for it, save a baseline, but keep the old baseline as well. So let's go back here and let me save this baseline, but this time not as baseline which is already saved, because if I click on OK, it will be overwritten. I will choose, let's say, baseline 1. Okay, now I have baseline 1. But what happens? This baseline, which is shown on the screen, is not the current one. So what can I do to have a current baseline on my screen? What can I do after I save it? I can go to here and I will choose which baseline can be used. So I am going to Gantt chart format, okay, and then I will go to baseline here. And I will say, don't use baseline, but choose baseline 1. And you will see everything is okay now. So I can see at each and every moment how is my project according to original baseline and to modify baseline. If I have now, let's say baseline number 2, let's say that I finish this, I need only 3 days for this task. Now, obviously, it is not, it will be finished earlier, and you can see on the cost table, the variance will be less. So what can I do? I can go to task, to Gantt chart, and now I can save the baseline, let's say, as baseline number 2. I'm not going save baseline number 2. I will say OK, and I can now show this baseline here, baseline 2. So basically, this is the easiest way when you want to apply current baseline, or whichever baseline you like, to your Gantt chart. Once again, go to Gantt chart format, go to baseline, and choose the baseline which you want to be on the screen, shown on the screen. Hope this helps. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.